Hi, this is my latest project, RCA flat screen 40-inch TV I picked up in the garbage, and the problem was the backlighting was defective on it. Here you have the power inverter board, which drives a bunch of CFLs, compact CFLs, and it's a very old model, so all the supports for the CFLs were broken and overheated and stuff, so it would be too expensive to fix it. So I decided to try to fix it using these eBay backlight monitor LED strips. So what I did, this is the internals of the TV. You have the main board, and that's a T-con board, and this is the power board. So the output of the power board, which is over here, you have positive and negative, and this drives 24 volts. You have two extra wires that you are here, and these ones are used to turn on the inverter and to dim the backlights. So these I am not using. And then I also put two wires, one here and one here, which is a ground, and that gives me the 12 volt feed from the power board, and it tells me when the TV is really on, and it stays on. And you have the light here. So this is the that's the remote sensor. And what I did, I used, since these LED strips work at 9 volts, so what I use is a 8.5 ohm 25 watt resistor, and it drops the voltage enough. So what I did, I connected them, two of them in series, which you can see here by connecting the positive to the negative and using the other strands. Then I'm able to drive these two strips out of the 24 volts output. So what I did, I connected that in series, and now I have 10 strips which I will be putting as the backlight system. And before, it used to turn on for a brief second or two and then turn off. But now with this system, I plugged it in, and behold, it works. As you can see, they're very bright. So what I intend to do is put some little supports and put that behind the LCD screen, and hopefully it should work and light the TV to its original state. As you can see, the power light is on, telling me that the unit is receiving 12 volts on the, well, 5 point something volts and 12 volts on the main board. And if I put my fingers on the chip of the T-con board, they're starting to warm up. So it means that the circuitry itself appears to be working. The only thing that I will have to do is these resistors have a tendency to heat up. So I'm going to use this heat sink, which will be bolted over the resistors to dissipate the power. So hopefully, if everything goes well, the next video I will be showing the assembly of the lights on the panel itself and the end results. So thanks for watching. Till the next project.